If everyone is moving forward, together, then success takes care of itself. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. If you think you can do a thing, or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. Don't find fault, find a remedy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success.
Like, share and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.